Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Abdullah bin Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet, may peace be upon him, said, truthfulness leads to albir, that is, piety, righteousness, and every act of obedience to Allah, and albir leads to paradise, and a man keeps on telling the truth until he becomes a Siddiq, that is, a truthful person. Falsehood leads to al-fujur, that is, wickedness, evil doing, etc. And al-fujur leads to the hellfire. And a man keeps on telling lies till he is written as a liar before Allah. Sahih al-Bukhari, Volume 8, Book of Manners, Hadith number 6094.